Welcome to EDC ideas. These are my 5 most used knives with one hand operating. Let's start with the most popular knife. It's the Benchmade 940. It's an excellent design and everything is said about this knife. All the advantages and disadvantages. It's an excellent EDC knife. I love the blade shape, I love the access lock, I love the slim and pocket friendly design, the aluminium scales, the pocket clip. All in all, it's a great design and everything is said about it. The next knife is a Spyderco Tenacious. Everything is said about this knife too. It's an excellent knife, it's my workhorse. I love this knife for EDC and for bushcraft tasks. Liner lock with a pocket clip. The steel is easy to sharpen. The jimping is excellent. You can do controlled cuts. A cool knife, and let's go to the knives that are not that popular. This knife is a Magnum by Boker. I don't know the model name, it's older than 10 years. Some years ago, the most people here in Germany said that the Magnum by Boker series is cheap, it's the Chinese line from Boker. But there are some excellent models and I love this one. The blade shape is cool for EDC tasks, the tip is very fine. I love the steel, it's easy to sharpen and it holds the edge very well. You see on the scales that this knife got a lot of pocket time over the last years. The jimping is very good, it's easy to control. I like the pocket clip and the pocket clip holds up excellent. When it comes to hard work and use a knife as a tool, the Magnum by Boker and the Spyderco Tenacious are my first choice. Both are relatively cheap and excellent knives for EDC and hard work. The Spyderco Spydercard was shown in another video and it's my knife for lightweight and slim carry. I mainly carry this knife in my wallet. It's a credit card sized knife with an excellent design made in Zeki, Japan. The Spyderco Spydercard is getting rare. It's a collector's item. The Spyderco collectors community likes this knife and it's very expensive even on the second market. It's a retired design made in Zeki, Japan. When you can get one of these, I can highly recommend them. Excellent. The liner lock / frame lock works excellent, great one-hand operating and easy to carry in your wallet or in your inner jacket. This Extrema Ratio BF1 is the knife with the most pocket time during the last month. It's an excellent knife, the pocket clip is heavy duty and the scales are very grippy. It's a classic liner lock design and the quality and the build quality is amazing. Everything fits perfectly, the steel is excellent, the blade shape is great for EDC tasks. I love this little belly and it fits perfectly in my hand. Let me know in the comment section below if you carry one of these two and what do you like or dislike on the knives.